If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi guys, Larry and gals, Larry here, and I'm going to give you a little information about an upcoming giveaway. In my opinion, I think it's a pretty cool, nifty bundle type of giveaway. What I plan on doing is buying a pen, ink, and paper as a bundle. And here's what you need to be watching for and waiting for. When I do the review of the Click fountain pen, I will mention the giveaway and what you need to do to enter for the giveaway. So you want to watch for that. I am going to be buying the winner their choice of the Click fountain pen. They can choose the whatever color that's on hand, the nib size, and a bottle of Robert Oyster Frankly inks. Any one of his lines of inks that was made for Frank Federalist Pens and Papers. And I'll give you the colors when I did the review of the Click. And also your choice of
Ayush paper.
yes, which is really some good stuff. Good stuff. It really is. And that means you can go to Federalist Pens and Paper and look at the Click fountain pens and choose style, color, whatever, and nib size you want. And you can choose the, I think there's 5 colors that he may have, Frank. I'm not sure on that. That you can choose one of the colors of the Robert Oyster's beautiful ink that was made for Frank anniversaries and stuff like that for Frankie. Oh, Frankie boy. And then you can also look this paper up and you can choose what size or what you want in this line of paper. So what happens is that after the winner is chosen, I will go ahead and contact Frank. I will pay for all this, and then you will get the package from Frank. But just stay tuned for the review of the Click fountain pen, because at the end of that review I'm going to give you the whole layout, how it's going to be done, so it'll be more organized because I'm going here, there, everywhere, but so you can understand more what you need to do to enter and the steps you need to take. But it's really quite simple, quite easy, and I just wanted to give you all a heads up because it's going to be a fun giveaway, and I think that'll do it. So remember, I am going to be buying a bundle for one of you lucky winners out there, because you're all the winners, right? Kinda? Okay. Well, that's going to do it for right now. So take care, my good friends. Be safe. Love you guys so much. Dynamite, baby. Y'all rock it. Peace, love. Don't text and drive. And as always, be kind to a stranger. Bye.